Welcome to the Turning Point Rock English channel. If you are new, please subscribe this channel for informative videos. This channel gives you learning environment and educational videos. In today's video, we will learn kitchen verbs. First one is grate, G-R-A-T-E, grate. Layer, L-A-Y-E-R, layer. Level, L-E-V-E-L, level. Melt, M-E-L-T, melt. Pinch, P-I-N-C-H, pinch. Pour, P-O-U-R, pour. Scramble, S-C-R-A-M-B-L-E, scramble. Serve, S-E-R-V-E, serve. Slice, S-L-I-C-E, slice. Spread, S-P-R-E-A-D, spread. Stir, S-T-I-R, stir. Taste, T-A-S-T-E, taste. Add, A-D-D, add. Bake, B-A-K-E, bake. Blend, B-L-E-N-D, blend. Boil, B-O-I-L, boil. Chop, C-H-O-P, chop. Cut, C-U-T, cut. Dip, D-I-P, dip. Fry, F-R-Y, fry. Break, B-R-E-A-K, break. Roll out, R-O-L-L-O-U-T, roll out. Peel, P-E-E-L, peel. Whip, W-H-I-P, whip. Mix, M-I-X, mix. Barbecue, B-A-R-B-E-C-U-E, barbecue. Roast, R-O-A-S-T, roast. That's all for today. You can use these action verbs in sentences in daily life. Practice all these verbs with your family. Thanks for watching and supporting my channel.